So my name is Sir Haris Bhatt, your accounting teacher, and we are basically going to solve a question from O-level accounting from the topic of cash book. So O-level accounting, and the topic is basically cash book 7707 and 0452. You are seeing my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris, and let's start the question. Let's see in which paper it has come. This question has come in October, November 23, 22. So October, November 23, 22 is the variant. 22 variant is basically our variant, which comes in our region, region 4. And October, November 23 is the paper. So let's start that. SEC buys and sells goods on credit. He has 3 credit customers and allows one of them, Naomi, trade discount of 10%. All customers pay SEC by bank transfer. So customer used to pay us by bank transfer, and Naomi basically allow one of the customer as a trade discount of 10%. Following balances were extracted from SEC sale ledger at 1st August 2023. Naomi 450, Sina 155, Bhavana 386. The following transaction took place in August 2023. Sold goods on credit to Naomi, list price 410. Let me make. Sold goods on credit 89 to Bhavana. Naomi returned goods, list price 20. So August 3 entry is basically the goods sold on credit. Always remember that already we have a sale ledger. What is sale ledger? In book of prime entry, in sales ledger, we used to prepare T account of each individual customer. We prepare T account of each individual customer. It means from the previous year, we have to get some amount from Naomi, which is 450. It means Naomi was our trade receivable by 450. Sina was our trade receivable by 155. And Bhavana was our trade receivable by 386. On August 3, we have sold in the month of 2020, in the month of August, we have sold more goods on credit to Naomi with 410 is the list price. And on to Bhavana 89, and Naomi returned goods, list price 20. Then Naomi paid 423 in full settlement of the amount she owed at 1st August. Then sold goods on credit 180 to Bhavana. Then sold goods on credit to Naomi, list price 230. Bhavana returned goods 19 and Bhavana paid 400. Prepare the sales journal, right? To record, indicate the ledger where the total would be posted. Total the journal indicate the ledger account where the total would be posted. So let's prepare the sales journal first. I'm going to prepare the sales journal for you. Here. Sales journal can be also called as sales day book. We have 3 things: date, then the particular amount and the amount. So particular column we don't need to write. It is just a format in which we write the names of the people to whom the goods are sold on credit, their amount and their total. In sales journal, we used to write the names of the people to whom the goods are sold on credit, their amount and total. It's a book of prime entry. So on August 3, we have sold goods on credit to Naomi. So I will write the name of Naomi and the amount of sales 410. But here there is a difference. What difference is that? That we used to give trade discount of 10% to Naomi. So 410 into 10% is 41. So 410 minus 41, because trade discount is given because of bulk buying or to loyal customer, and it is not shown anywhere in the books. We will not show that anywhere in the books. So here I'm going to write Naomi on August 3. Naomi. And the amount is going to be 410 minus 41. What is it? 410 minus 41. Ahmed, what is the amount? 369. And you can tell me also. So Naomi 369 is going to be the amount. Okay, next. Then sold goods on credit to Bhavana 89. So that will also come on August 5. I'm going to write the date. Then I'm going to write the name of Bhavana, and the amount is 89. We are supposed to write the names of the people to whom the goods are sold on credit, their amount in total. Then there is going to be Naomi return goods. It will come in sale return journal, not in sale journal. This will go in the cash book. Then again, sold goods on credit 180 to Bhavana. That is on 19th. That will come obviously. On 19th, we have sold goods to Bhavana again. Sir, can't be 180. Sir, can't we write the total amount with the name Bhavana? No. Why? Because Elise, we have sold goods to Bamana on August 5 and then on August 19th. So dates are separate. That's why we have to write it on separate dates. Then sold goods on credit to Naomi, again list price 230. But again 230 minus 23. We will write 230 minus 23. So 22 is the date. Here comes Naomi. 230 minus 23. How much it will come? 207. Okay. Now I will go for the total of the sales journal. So total of the sales journal, we will write the name of the people to whom the goods are sold, their amount and their total. And that total will go to the sales account. That is the total amount of credit sales. 845, that is the total amount of credit sales. And that is going to be recorded in the sales account in the general ledger on the credit side of the sales account. 845, these are the total credit sales. It will also be, because if you just look at the question, what examiner has asked you, prepare the sales journal. Total the journal indicate the ledger account where the total would be posted. Total will be posted. Total will be posted to the sales account on the credit side with the total amount of credit sales, because that is the total credit sales we have gone for. Then we have to prepare the sales return journal. Let's prepare that. We have to prepare the sales return journal now. That's I have basically just make you realize that the total amount of the sales journal, that is the total credit sales, and it is supposed to be written in the sales account in the general ledger on the credit side. Now I have prepared sales return journal. So Naomi returned goods list price 20. Again, 20 is the list price. We are giving 10% discount to Naomi. So 20 minus 2. 18 is the amount of sales return which Naomi has returned back to us. Sales return debit, Naomi credit. So I will write the amount 18 on 10th of August. So I will write the date August 10, and the name will come obviously of Naomi, and the amount is going to be 18. There can be more sales return. Let's see. Sold goods on credit, sold goods on credit. Bhavana returned goods 19 also on 27. Bhavana has returned goods on 27. I will write the name from whom the goods have been returned back to us, their amount and their total. The amount is going to be 19 and the total sales return is going to be 37. So that is the total of the sales return. This total of sales return journal will go to the sales return account in the general ledger, also on the debit side, if need be, if the question will ask us to prepare the sales return account. But now we have to prepare the Naomi account for August as it would appear in the books of SEC, balance the account and bring down the balance on 1st September 2023. So you need to be very clear about this. If you remember, I have clearly made you write, if you remember, that whenever you are going to prepare an account of trade receivable or trade payable, whenever you are going to prepare an account of trade receivable or trade payable, you have to write the balance brought down first. You have to write the balance brought down first. It means that if the person is a trade payable, the balance will be written on the credit side. If it is a trade receivable, the balance will be written on the debit side, because trade receivable is an asset, trade payable is a liability. So I'm going to prepare the account of Naomi, but before passing the entries in the T account of Naomi and posting the entries, we have to write the balance which is available in the Naomi account in the sales ledger. That is going to be 450. So he was our trade receivable by 450 on 1st August. So that is going to be 18 brought down is going to be 450, which shows that he was our trade receivable. We are supposed to take that amount from Naomi, right? That is the month of August, I believe, for both. I will write like this because we are preparing, I think, for the month of August. Let me check it out. Say the return. Yes, for the month of August. Let's pass the entries and then we are going to prepare the T account from the entries. The first entry is sold goods on credit to Naomi, list price 410. Always remember that the amount we have sold is not 410, it is 369. The entry will be Naomi debit and sales credit. So Naomi is going to be debited on August 5 because of sales. That's right. And the amount is going to be 369. Then there is going to be sales return. Naomi returned goods list price 20. That is actually after deducting trade discount, it is 18. The entry is sales return debit and Naomi credit. So it will come over here at the date of 10. Sales return, Naomi is going to be credit because of sales return, and the amount is going to be that was 18, right? If I'm not wrong, let me check. Yes, 20 minus 2. Then on 11th, Naomi paid 423 in full settlement of the amount shown she owed at first August. Now Naomi is going to make us the payment of the amount which she owed to us on 1st August. What amount we are supposed to get from Naomi on 1st August? That is 450. But he is or she is making the payment of 423 only, right? So bank is going to be debited by 423. Here comes discount allowed, Ayan, because that is not bad debts. We are giving him discount. We are allowing her discount, and Naomi is going to be credited with the full amount of 450 because Naomi is no more my trade receiver because we have received 423 in full settlement. Full settlement means that we are ready to settle the account of 450 after receiving the amount of 423. It means we are getting less, but we are happy. We are happy with her because maybe she is making the payment earlier than whatever the credit period was. She is making the payment earlier. So we are receiving 423. If let me see, either it is check or not. Naomi paid 423. Check is not given, but we'll take it as check. So bank is debited by 423. Discount allowed is an expense. Expense always debit because that amount has not been received. We have allowed the discount. It is an expense for us. We have allowed it purposefully. We want to give the discount because we are getting the amount earlier than the required date. So what is the difference? That is 27 is the discount allowed. Now let's post the entry on 11. Naomi is going to be credited because of bank with 423 and because of discount allowed again with 27, right? With 27. Okay. This entry is going to be passed in the Naomi account because all the entries which are related with Naomi will come in the Naomi account simply. All the entries which are related with Naomi will come in the Naomi account. Next, there is no Naomi account. Again, sold goods on credit to Naomi, list price 230. So Naomi debit and sales credit. So Naomi is going to be debited by 207 because of the reduction of trade discount because of sales. The amount is 207. Now I will go for the total because no other entries have been passed regarding Naomi in the question. Debit side is heavier. I will go for the total of the debit side. I will write the total of the debit side on both sides. 1026. I will write the total of the heavier side on both sides, and then it comes over here on 31 August 8, carried down. What is this? 558. This 558 carried down will become the brought down of the next year with an amount of 558 brought down, which is again an asset. It's a trade receivable. It shows that at the start of the month, we are supposed to take 450 from Naomi, and again, at the start of September, we have to take 558 from Naomi, which is yet to be received. 8 ko 1. Next part, let's see. Prepare the sales journal, sales return journal, Naomi account. 6 marks. There was Naomi account. Always remember to write the. Then you have to prepare the sale ledger control account for the whole question. But I won't prepare the sale ledger control account because if you just look at on 31st August, SEC decided to write off the amount owing by A.C.M.A as an irrecoverable debt. So there is going to be an irrecoverable debt, which the entry is going to be bad debts, irrecoverable debts debit, and trade receivable is going to be credit. And then you have to prepare the sale ledger control account, which is the account of all trade receivables. And because we are yet to prepare that part, control account, we haven't studied yet, so I'm not going to go for that particular part of the question. So let's move to the next question, and that is going to be okay. Thank you very much. We'll start the next class. Just wait for a minute. Okay.